Good morning, students. Let's play vocabulary basket. Okay?
Okay, miss, let's play.
Okay. Who is willing for the first turn? Okay, Example.
Ha ha ha. Love. L-A-U-G-H. Love. Today. Laugh. Yesterday. Laughed. Tomorrow. Will laugh. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Today. Climb. Yesterday. Climbed. Tomorrow. Will climb. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Today. Stand. Yesterday. Stood. Tomorrow. Will stand. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Today. Dance. Yesterday. Danced. Tomorrow. Will dance. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Today. Sleep. Yesterday. Slept. Tomorrow. Will sleep.
Okay, student. Did you enjoy this game?
Yes, miss. Can we play again?
Okay, next time. Okay? Okay.